Hi, my name is Blake, and I'm a rising junior at the Chapin School, and my starter project is the Theremin. So I'm going to show it working first. Okay, so when you move your hand closer or farther away, it makes a noise. And this works by there's a current that's emitted through the antenna, and that produces a magnetic field. And your hand is a natural capacitator, so has a natural capacitance. So when you put your hand closer or farther away from the antenna, it disrupts the magnetic field of the antenna and the current. This current, when you disrupt the magnetic field, it's picked up by the first microcontroller, which is right here. It's called a 555 timer, and that timer creates a frequency. It records the frequency and sends that to the next microcontroller, and this microcontroller controls the timing of the LEDs and the piezo element. There are also other elements to this circuit. There is the regulator, which takes the input from the 9-volt battery and turns it into a 5-volt. And the capacitors over here, they help keep the current nice and smooth, and they filter out any inconsistencies. This capacitor over here is made from polypropylene, and it takes the audio, it filters the audio that's coming in from the 555 and the other microchip. These two buttons, they work with the 555 microchip as well, and when you press them at the same time, it changes the mode of the theremin. So there's two modes to the theremin. There's the continuous mode, which is when the theremin is all one pitch, and there's no differentiation between the notes. And then there's the discrete mode, which is when the theremin produces individual notes and it sounds kind of like a song. The challenges that I faced were with the soldering. So this has been my first time soldering ever, and I had some that were a little bit too close and I had to desolder them. Also, the resistor burned out, so I had to replace it, and we had to do a lot of testing to see if that was the actual problem. And then also the microchips, I couldn't really read them, so I didn't know which way they were supposed to go. So I put them in the wrong way, and then I figured out that you were supposed to flip them actually the other way, and that solved the problem.